Actually, my class level is rising right now. But
hands up.
Commit to it.
Yeah. Commit.
In recent days, a strange online story has been circulating across YouTube, social media platforms, and automotive discussion forums. It is centered around a popular car content creator, Mat Armstrong, and a claim that he suddenly stopped posting videos just before releasing a major project involving a Bugatti car. According to this viral narrative, the missing upload is not seen as a normal delay or break, but something mysterious and unusual. Some versions of the story suggest that he was working on a detailed Bugatti rebuild video that could have revealed important technical information about the car. Because of this idea, online discussions have grown, and many people have started forming theories about what might have happened. However, it is important to clearly understand that most of this comes from speculation rather than confirmed facts. In reality, content creators often take breaks or delay uploads for many normal reasons, such as editing time, personal schedules, or production challenges. But on the internet, especially in storytelling-style videos, even a small gap in activity can turn into a larger narrative. When audiences expect regular uploads from a creator, any silence becomes noticeable and can quickly turn into curiosity. That curiosity sometimes develops into theories, even when there is no evidence behind them. This is what appears to be happening in this situation. The story has been shaped into a dramatic idea where a missing video becomes the center of attention, and silence is treated like a clue. While this makes the story interesting and engaging, it does not mean it reflects real events. It is mostly a product of online imagination and storytelling, built around a simple delay in content that to understand why this story gains so much attention. It is important to look at who Mat Armstrong is and why his content matters to viewers. He is known for rebuilding damaged and broken cars, often showing the full process from start to finish. His videos are detailed and focus on real mechanical work, problem solving, and transformation of vehicles. Because of this style, his audience has become used to consistent uploads and ongoing project updates. Viewers often follow his content like a series, where each new video continues the story from the previous one. When a creator works in this way, any delay in uploading can feel more noticeable than usual. However, delays are a normal part of content creation. Videos take time to film, edit, and prepare, especially when they involve complex mechanical work. Sometimes parts are not ready, or unexpected problems occur during project. Other times, creators simply need a break or extra time to ensure quality. Despite this, online audiences often interpret silence differently. Instead of seeing it as a normal delay, they may assume something unusual is happening. This is especially true when the creator is known for regular uploads. In this case, the idea that he never misses uploads has been repeated in online discussions, which makes the situation feel more dramatic. But in reality, even consistent creators do take breaks or adjust schedules. The internet often forgets this, and instead focuses on patterns being broken. This is one of the main reasons why the story started to grow. A simple delay became a topic of interest, and that interest slowly turned into speculation. Another major reason this story spread is the involvement of Bugatti in the narrative. Bugatti is one of the most well-known luxury car brands in the world, famous for extremely fast and expensive hypercars. Because of its reputation, anything related to Bugatti tends to attract attention online. In this story, it is suggested that Mat Armstrong was working on a Bugatti-related video that might have included special technical discoveries or unusual details about the car. This idea immediately increases curiosity because people are always interested in how high-end cars are built and serviced. However, most of these claims are not confirmed and come from online storytelling rather than official information. In automotive content, especially rebuild projects, creators often explore how cars work in detail, including parts, repairs, and systems. Sometimes these discoveries are interesting to viewers, but they are usually normal technical findings rather than hidden secrets. The idea of a big secret makes the story more exciting, but it is important to separate entertainment from fact. Online narratives often take real mechanical explanations and turn them into dramatic interpretations. For example, a simple explanation of shared parts or repair methods can be turned into a story about hidden systems or industry secrets. This transformation is common in viral content because it makes the story more engaging. In this case, Bugatti becomes a central symbol in the narrative, not because of confirmed information, but because of its prestige and mystery in the automotive world. The brand itself adds emotional weight to the story, making it feel more important than a normal YouTube upload delay. As the story continued to spread, some versions introduced more dramatic ideas involving pressure, conflict, or interference. These parts of the narrative suggest that large companies might react strongly if sensitive information is shared publicly. While it is true that companies protect their designs, data, and intellectual property, the way this is presented in online storytelling is often exaggerated. Normal business actions such as protecting technical information or managing communication are sometimes interpreted as signs of conflict or secrecy. This is a common pattern in internet narratives where real-world processes are turned into dramatic stories. In this case, simple ideas like content delays or project adjustments are reimagined as something more serious. However, there is no verified evidence supporting claims of unusual actions or interference. The story builds tension by suggesting that something important is being hidden, but this is based on speculation rather than confirmed facts. Online creators often use this type of framing because it keeps viewers engaged and encourages them to keep watching. The more uncertain the situation appears, the more interesting it becomes. But uncertainty does not mean something unusual is happening. It only means that information is incomplete. Many real-world situations have simple explanations, even if online discussions make them seem more complex. This is why it is important to be careful when interpreting viral stories. Just because something is presented in a dramatic way does not mean it reflects reality. In most cases, online narratives grow far beyond the original situation, shaped by imagination and repeated discussion. One of the most talked about parts of the story is the idea of a Bugatti secret. Different online versions suggest different possibilities about what this secret could be. Some claim it could involve engineering design details, while others suggest software systems or performance-related information. There are even suggestions of safety or manufacturing concerns. However, none of these ideas are confirmed, and they remain purely speculative. In reality, modern cars are extremely complex machines made of many shared and custom components. During rebuild projects, it is normal for mechanics to discover interesting technical details about how systems are built. But these findings are usually part of standard engineering knowledge, not hidden secrets. Online storytelling often takes these normal discoveries and expands them into larger theories. The idea of a hidden truth is powerful because it creates curiosity and emotional engagement. People naturally want to believe they are learning something important or exclusive. This is why stories about secrets spread quickly, even without evidence. However, it is important to remember that complexity in engineering does not automatically mean something is being hidden. Many technical details are simply part of how modern vehicles are designed. In this story, the secret becomes a narrative tool rather than a factual claim. It helps build suspense and keeps audiences interested, but should not be treated as confirmed information. Without evidence, these ideas remain part of internet speculation rather than reality. Social media plays a major role in how stories like this grow. Once a topic starts gaining attention, it spreads quickly through short videos, posts, and comments. Each person who shares the story may add their own interpretation or emotional reaction. Over time, this leads to a version of the story that is much more dramatic than the original situation. In this case, a simple delay in uploading content became a larger discussion involving disappearance, secrets, and possible conflict. This transformation happens because social media rewards engaging content. Posts that are emotional, mysterious, or surprising tend to get more views and shares than simple factual updates. As a result, creators and users often focus on the most exciting version of a story. This creates a cycle where each new post adds more intensity. Eventually, the original facts become less visible, while the narrative grows stronger. This is a natural process in online communication, but it can also lead to confusion. People may encounter multiple versions of the same story and find it difficult to understand what is true. In many cases, no single source provides the full picture. Instead, the story is built collectively by many users. This is why viral narratives can feel believable even when they are not fully supported by evidence. The combination of curiosity, emotion, and repetition is powerful in shaping online discussions. When examining the situation carefully, it becomes clear that there is a difference between confirmed facts and online interpretation. The only reliable information is that no new content was posted during a certain time period, which viewers noticed. Everything beyond that, including theories about secrets or interference, comes from speculation. This distinction is very important because online discussions often mix facts with assumptions. Many people do not intentionally spread false information. They simply react to what they see and build ideas around it. However, over time, these ideas can turn into widely believed narratives. This shows how easily misinformation or misunderstanding can form in digital spaces. It also highlights the importance of critical thinking when consuming online content. Not every viral story reflects real events, and not every gap in information has a deeper meaning. In most cases, simple explanations are more accurate than complex theories. However, simple explanations are often less exciting, which is why they spread more slowly. This creates an imbalance where dramatic stories gain more attention than factual ones. Understanding this helps viewers approach viral content more carefully and avoid jumping to conclusions. Conclusion, the viral story about Mat Armstrong and a supposed missing Bugatti video is best understood as an example of how online narratives develop. It began with a simple observation, a delay in content, and grew into a larger story through speculation and discussion. Over time, different interpretations added layers of mystery and drama, making the situation seem more complex than it actually is. However, there is no confirmed evidence supporting the more extreme claims. The story reflects how modern internet culture often turns uncertainty into entertainment. While it can be interesting to follow, it is important to separate storytelling from verified information. In the digital age, stories spread quickly, but truth still depends on evidence. This case shows how easily audiences can be drawn into narratives that feel real but are built mostly on assumptions. It is a reminder that online content should be viewed with both curiosity and caution, especially when facts are uncleared. At the end of the day, this entire situation is less about one creator or one missing upload, and more about how modern internet culture processes uncertainty. In earlier times, a delay in a TV show or a missing update from a public figure would simply be seen as normal. People would wait for an explanation, and life would move on. But in today's online world, every gap in information becomes a space that gets filled instantly with discussion, theories, and emotional interpretation. The speed of social media means that silence is no longer neutral. It is active, it is noticed, and it is interpreted almost immediately. That is why a simple pause in uploads can grow into a full narrative involving secrets, hidden meanings, or even conflict, even when there is no verified evidence behind it. This doesn't mean people are wrong for being curious. Curiosity is natural, especially when someone regularly shares their life or work online. But it does show how quickly the line between fact and assumption can blur when thousands of people start discussing the same topic at once. In this case, what remains consistent is not any confirmed event, but the pattern of how audiences react to missing information. And that pattern repeats again and again across the internet with different names, different channels, and different stories. So rather than focusing only on what might or might not have happened, the more important takeaway is understanding how easily narratives form in the absence of facts, and how quickly they can grow into something much larger than the original situation ever was. What makes this story interesting isn't whether any of the theories are true, but how quickly people built a full narrative from almost no confirmed information. It shows how online audiences don't just watch content anymore. They actively interpret it, connect dots, and create meaning even when the original situation is simple. And that leads to an important question for anyone watching this. At what point does curiosity turn into assumption? When do we stop looking for facts and start building stories instead? Because in this case, everything began with a missing upload, but it turned into something much larger through discussion alone. And that raises something worth thinking about while watching any viral topic online. How often do we mistake speculation for reality just because enough people are talking about it? Let me know what you think, because in stories like this, sometimes the audience shapes the narrative just as much as the content itself. In the end, this entire situation shows how quickly a simple gap in information can turn into a full story in the online world. A missing upload, a delayed project, or a quiet period from a creator is no longer seen as just normal life or work. It becomes something people try to explain, interpret, and expand into a bigger narrative. And while that makes for interesting discussion, it also shows how easily assumptions can grow when facts are limited. In reality, there is still no confirmed evidence behind the more dramatic claims connected to this story. No verified reports, no official statements, and nothing concrete that supports the idea of anything unusual happening. What remains is a pattern we see again and again online. Silence gets filled, curiosity turns into theories, and theories turn into stories that feel real simply because they are repeated enough times. But repetition is not the same as truth. And as this situation shows, the internet is just as good at creating stories as it is at sharing facts. So until there is real, confirmed information from the source itself, everything surrounding this topic remains exactly what it started as, a viral discussion built on uncertainty, carried forward by attention, and shaped more by imagination than evidence. If we step back and look at the situation in a simple timeline, the story becomes much less mysterious than it first appears. First, there was regular content from Mat Armstrong, with ongoing car projects and updates that his audience followed closely. Then, there was a gap where no new video appeared for a period of time. After that, people began noticing the silence and started discussing it online. From there, different interpretations started forming, especially because of earlier mentions of large projects and possible future videos. Finally, social media amplified those discussions, turning a normal delay into a trending topic filled with theories and assumptions. When you break it down like this, there is no confirmed turning point where something unusual clearly happened, only a chain reaction of attention and interpretation. This is important because it shows how easily a simple timeline can be reshaped into something far more dramatic when viewed through online discussion. Each step in the chain is normal on its own, but when combined and repeated across platforms, it starts to feel like a mystery. And that is exactly how most viral stories are built. Not from sudden events, but from gradual interpretation layered on top of ordinary situations. This situation might feel unique, but it actually isn't the first time something like this has happened online.